unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Thermal energy can be understood through simple experiments for kids. One fun experiment is the balloon expansion test. Inflate a balloon slightly and tie it off. Place it in hot water and watch it expand as the air inside heats up, demonstrating how heat energy makes particles move faster. Another is the melting chocolate activity. Place chocolate pieces on various surfaces like metal, plastic, and fabric, and observe which ones melt quickest, showing how different materials conduct heat. These hands-on activities make learning about thermal energy engaging and understandable for children.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.